Tehillim 47. For the chief musician, a psalm by the sons of Korah. O clap your hands, all you nations. Shout to Elohim with the voice of triumph. For Yahuwah Elyon is awesome. He is a great king over all the earth. He subdues nations under us, and peoples under our feet. He chooses our inheritance for us, the glory of Yaakov, whom he loved. Selah. Elohim has gone up with a shout, Yahuwah with the sound of a shofar. Sing praise to Elohim, sing praises. Sing praises to our King, sing praises. For Elohim is the King of all the earth. Sing praises with understanding. Elohim reigns over the nations. Elohim sits on his holy throne. The princes of the peoples are gathered together, the people of the Elohim of Avraham. For the shields of the earth belong to Elohim. He is greatly exalted.